Someone finally did it. I don't know who it was and where they are, but someone finally took all the advice that we were putting out on YouTube and did exactly what we're saying, and now they are crushing it. And all I want to do in this video is share what it is they're selling and how they did it. Let's go. In case you're new here, in 10 seconds, this is all we're about. All we do every single day is e-commerce, okay? We are obsessed with e-commerce. We run our e-commerce brand ourselves that went super viral on TikTok. We've been doing this for 4 years, and so if this is your first time here, subscribe. If you've been around for a while and you've seen our faces before, great to have you back. Now, it can be pretty intimidating starting your first dropshipping store. Trust me, been there. But if you do a lot of things that we say on this channel, it gets easier. And this person right here did exactly just that. So let's just jump in and look at who this person is. Alright, so earlier today I saw this brand on my feed and I showed it to Anthony saying, yo, I've been seeing these people on my feed for weeks. Why? Probably because I have a girlfriend. But I keep seeing their ads all the time. And I can just tell that they're printing cash. Why? Because I'm being retargeted. I'm seeing different ads. They're all TikTok style. I was like, damn, whoever's doing this is making a killing. I wonder if it's on Aliexpress. And sure enough, it is. There's more to that in a sec, how to actually do this. The brand is called Nomisk. They have a few models of products here. One of them is the main one I saw is this period cramp massager. This is on Aliexpress. Seen these on Aliexpress, just a simple water bottle. These are the main two I want to focus on, specifically this one right here. So if we jump into their Facebook ad library, I have all this pulled up already, but if we jump into here, you can see right away, attention boyfriends.
Attention boyfriends, if you're looking for the perfect gift for your girlfriend, this is it. It's a natural period cramp relief device that gives the best heat and massages. It's so easy to use and works instantly. I seriously cannot live without it. So trust me when I say that she will love it.
Almost every single video is exactly the same. Maybe you can go through a few more on your own, but they did something genius here, and they're targeting the boyfriend instead of the actual customer. Now, I'm not sure what this is called in actual marketing, but for example, you're a diaper company, you target the dads. You're selling period cramp massage tools, and instead of actually targeting the girl that has the periods, target the boyfriends, they'll buy it for her. Just like that rose bear for Valentine's Day. All that good stuff is what they're doing right here. If there's one thing I've learned after 5 years of doing e-commerce, upsells and AOV boosters are going to be the make or break for your store. If you're operating at X level and you can get someone to spend X plus $30, $50, or $100 more with every order they spend with you, you're just simply going to make more money. Now there's a gazillion ways to do this, and there's thousands of apps out there that can help you do this, but the one that I want to talk about and share with you today is Cardex. Here's why. Now, in this whole upsell world, there are kind of a few key plays that we see the brands do. Number one, there are pop-up upsells. That's step one, having the pop-up offers when someone clicks add to cart, when someone mainly clicks add to cart, you're gonna see a pop-up. That's great. Number two, we have the post-purchase offers. Now, this is where you're gonna make a lot of money. On the pop-ups, you might see 10% kind of conversion rate. So now someone's completed their purchase, you're in the post-purchase phase, and you can display up to 6, yes, not 2, not 3, but 6 post-purchase upsells. And the whole theory here is that if you throw enough offers at them, eventually they're gonna bite on one of them. So if you have a little bit of a wider catalog and you're able to offer at least 5 or 6 post-purchase upsells, why not just do it? I know that it kind of sounds like you're just bombarding your customers, but hey, if more of them bite, you're making more money, and that's the name of the game right here. That is the name of the game. Bundle those together, get your offers in place, offer that 25% off, offer that 30% off. If you don't have a wide enough product catalog, that's totally fine, because you can rather offer shipping insurance, which I recommend doing, or priority fulfillment. I actually currently do this on my live store. So now you're taking the customer to the third phase, which is the final phase. The first phase was that pop-up that converts at 10%. That second phase was that post-purchase upsell offer where you can kind of go and do 6 of those. This last part right here is the thank you page. So after those post-purchase upsells, you can display on your thank you page more bundles they might like. And of course, you can get creative with that and word it and say, hey, based on your order, you might like these. One last chance, don't miss out, and plug away and just throw them your best offers there. That's kind of what I recommend doing. I know a lot of people are picky with apps because number one, it might slow down your site. Number two, it kind of just looks ugly and janky. Cardex fixes both of those. They have pretty good design tools in there and the whole interface where you can kind of take your design, apply your brand colors, make it look on brand. Your site's not gonna get slowed down because it's very native and integrates like in 2 seconds with Shopify. So some apps are kind of hard, you gotta paste some code, make sure you're compliant. With Cardex, it's easy, gets the job done. You install it, it's on your site, you design, you push it live, and you make more money. So call to action here. You're watching this video, you see how more brands can make money using TikTok, but once the traffic gets there, what do? How do you actually make more money? Well, one way that I've learned is through upsells. And if you wanna get the job done the right way, check out Cardex, and thank you for sponsoring this video. So if we go to their TikTok, it's not the biggest following, only 13K followers, but they're probably pretty new. They have a 6% engagement rate, and you can just tell that it's probably run by 2 or 3 girls who are just absolutely crushing it right now, selling this thing through Aliexpress or whatever. And almost everything here is focused on girlfriend, customer conversations. So we've mentioned this kind of form of video before. Again, customer give me a refund now. Like these are like very popular, no-brainer ideas that they're just taking and capitalizing on. And they try to get a little bit more creative with it, and it works sometimes. In this one, I've never been so excited to wake up on my period. And again, right away it probably plugs the product. There it is. You guys know how it goes. It doesn't matter what's actually being sold here. The idea is that they actually did what we're saying by finding someone that has a mass appeal, has good margins, which I'll show you in a second at Aliexpress, making a clean site and just collecting/posting content at scale, and then whatever goes viral organically, running that with paid ads. That's the whole playbook, and they're doing it so well. I'm seeing their ads everywhere. I went through a few listings on Aliexpress and can find a couple of them. I think this is probably the top one with the most listings, like these 2 right here. I think that this one looks obviously a little bit like a knockoff and kind of weird, but there's a few other ones that look a little bit more like the one that we just saw on the website. I think it's this one. So you can get this for $16. I'm not sure how much it costs to ship. Let's just round up, call it $25. They're selling it on their website, if we go back, for $99. Let's see how clean their product page is. In stock, ready to ship, as seen in Vogue, Vanity Fair, Glamour. All that stuff you can do really easily. Like it does not mean they're a huge brand because they did that. So it's a really easy PR play. Trusted by thousands. Look at that rolling, scrolling UGC. So there's a social proof aspect. And again, just some clean animating effects right there. Ditch the pills, that's a big marketing all alone. Goodbye cramps. So they're selling like they're painting a picture for the customer of how nice their life's gonna be afterwards. Live life blissfully. Oh, great copy, simple to go. Before and afters of them is looking great. Your new best friend, just easy copy. Put her on, press a button, and relax. Some facts, and that's pretty much it. More social proof and probably call to action. That's it. So there's 2 things you can do now after watching this quick video. Number 1, you can take this exact same product and try doing what they're doing and just copying them. That's always one valid option. But if you're like most, if you're like me, you like being up here, you like being in control, like being in the lead, don't do that. Take all these concepts and just apply it to something new. What ideas do you have? Comment below and I can kind of try helping you out. But the fundamentals stay the same every time. Mass appeal, good margins, low SKU count. This all was all covered in our previous course that we just released about Anthony's kind of product research guide. So give that a watch if you haven't yet. But someone finally did what we're saying. And I don't know how much revenue they're making, but I'm guaranteeing you it's probably somewhere in the $30,000 to $50,000 range, which is great. This is amazing. They're probably profitable. And so if you want to do the same, ask us any questions below. If you want us to do this for you, if you already have a brand that's kind of struggling right now, maybe Facebook ads are giving you a hard time, we also have a small little agency we started a few months ago. It's going pretty well. And so if you want some help with that, check it out below. Free to do so. We'll love to give you a free consulting package, free whatever, just to help you out. And that's pretty much this whole video. That's the whole nutshell. Like we came across this brand a few weeks ago. We keep seeing it, and they're doing it right. This is the 2022 playbook for e-commerce. I put another brand doing this exact same thing a few videos ago, so if you want to check that out, I'll link it below as well. But that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for being here, guys. If you want to have any more questions and you want to do something like this, comment below, ask away, join our Discord, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.